Hello guys, today I would like to talk with you about the prices and what do you need to buy for the Burning Man. Costumes. Actually, it's a low-key casual costumes. This is amazing thing for the Burning Man. So you can do anything you like and you can look wherever you like. Half of the costumes what we've got for Burning Man we bought in Amazon and half of them we got in the regular store. So it's just up to you and up to your choice. Costumes on Amazon, it's around $30 and costumes like really unique ones in the shop, it will cost you around $300-$500. Some of the really beautiful stuff actually you can find on Etsy. It's very unique website with the handmade costumes and it's really beautiful. But for me, it's kind of expensive and I don't think it's reasonable actually to buy it because wherever you buy, you just want to wear it once and for the next year, for example, you really want to get something new. You want to get some new stuff. So wherever you got, you will wear it just once. So don't spend a lot of money. You will need it. Most of the people on Burning Man trying to look good with the costumes, just maybe first 2 days, and after nobody cares. So it's just so relaxing and peaceful. Me and my friends, we like to show off, so of course we buy a lot of costumes. We got costumes for every day, different ones, and it was amazing. We got a lot of attention and we had a great mood of that, and we had get a lot of photos and videos, so actually it was cool. So I advise you not to get something really expensive because you will wear it just once. And actually it's kind of my point, expensive costumes, they're not really comfortable. For example, this jacket I got for $600 and I've been wearing it like for 20 minutes for the photo shoot because for the rest of the time it's not comfortable to ride the bicycle, it's not comfortable for anything, so it's just good to make the video. So for the video it was beautiful, but for the rest, no, thank you. And this one, for example, I also got for $400 and it's also only for the photo shoot because this is beautiful arm thing. It's not comfortable, like it was extremely uncomfortable. And make sure that in the daytime it's very hot, extremely hot. So you want to wear very little pieces, and for the nighttime it's very cold. You really need to have something warm enough and comfortable as well. And don't forget to get a winter jacket. This is the most important thing because in the night it's so cold. It's much colder than Siberia actually. You cannot imagine how cold it is. So my jacket, it costs $150. I'm not advising you to buy something expensive because again, it's a desert, remember that? It's a lot of sand, so you won't wear it anywhere else. It's gonna be just destroyed. You wanna feel free enough, lying down on the sand in the desert, so to feel comfy and don't think that it's so much expensive. So please don't buy anything expensive. Doesn't make sense. And for the girls, of course, to put the makeup, to put some decorations on the face and stickiness as well. Of course, all my costumes on Amazon, they look like this. They cost all around $30 each. The Burning Man have a concept, wherever you bring with you, you need to take it back. So make sure you're not bringing the glitters, any costumes with the bow, all kind of costumes like this, they lose. So make sure you're gonna leave clean place after yourself. To see the sunset and meet the sunrise with a lot of DJs and a lot of walking, you really need comfortable shoes. Just remember that. So it have to be comfortable and it have to be beautiful. So for the daytime, usually it's like sneakers or something dust-free. Perfect decision after Burning Man, just to throw it because dust just going inside the fabric. And for the nighttime, everyone wearing the knee boots. So my knee boots, I pay for them like $100 and they was perfect. So actually I'm planning to bring these knee boots for the next year because they're fine. If you buy something more cheaper, they will break obviously. My friends, they bought kind of fancy stuff, really cheap ones, and they was just broken in 1-2 days. For the boots, you need to have socks. So you need to have like 2 pairs of socks for every day. Me, I just took my ski socks. They're amazing. They're really comfortable. You have to bring a lot of bandages with you and like a first aid kit. I had not any problem with my skin or my feet because I had such a comfortable stuff. All kind of stuff you can get just on Amazon. It's so way easy. You just choose, you click, you buy, and they bring it to you. Amazing. The weather in Burning Man, it's kind of special. So your hair, your nails, your boots, everything will be destroyed. So just be ready for that. you will be a lot of time outside, so make sure you protect your skin. Don't forget to bring the sunscreen. You really need it. So you need the sunscreen, you need a cream to hydrate your body because your skin will be so much dry. And don't forget the lip balm to hydrate your lips. This year I was covering my face with this kind of scarf and with these goggles. But for the next year, I obviously gonna bring snow goggles. And I can tell you that your life getting much more easier if you braid your hair. You can have a shower, just the first step outside, you will already dusty. To make your life more easier, just braid your hair. For the girls, to braid hair, it costs around $300. It's up to length and how beautiful you want it. For the guys, I advise also you to braid it. If it's shorter, you can just color it. It's amazing. Just put some neon colors, so in the night you're gonna look awesome. What about nails? Actually, I was so much surprised on Burning Man. Everyone have colors on their nails. I was like, what is going on? But it's really a reason for that, because with all kind of dust, 1 week in the desert, you don't want to see your nails, so just be prepared before. Or also you can do it on Burning Man. It's a lot of camps who does the nails and the hair, but you have to understand the quality. If you do it before the Burning Man, your life will be much more easy, believe me. And of course, you're gonna ride the bicycle, you're gonna explore the thing, and you really need to have a backpack. So this is the backpack I had. Of course, it was destroyed and I just throw it out on Burning Man. On Burning Man, it's very important to have your own car. So wherever you go, you bring your own car and you need to have a copy of ID just to stick it on the car, like I did to mine. I chose this kind of car and I got it with the cover. For my girls who doesn't have cover, they have a lot of sand inside, a lot of dust. First 2 days I was just lock it to my backpack, but after I realized that you still have some dust. So after I was just using my backpack actually for the wipes and for the cup, just to protect your cup because you all the time drinking. It's very hot in the daytime. You really need to hydrate yourself. These electrolytes I'm buying for last 3 years and I really love them. They're not very sweet, they're just perfect. Try it, you will like it. So you're gonna drink a lot. And actually some places on Burning Man offering you food as well. Actually, it's good if you're gonna have a plastic plate with you as well. And of course, you're gonna have a lot of party and a lot of fun, a lot of drinks. To have some snack, it's also good. I've got these ones. Also, me and my friend, we've got some noodle soup. It was amazing because in the desert, it's everything so dry. You really want to have some soup. We stay in the camp with air conditioned, with the electricity, but we still needed to buy sleeping bag and the mattress. The sleeping bag I brought with me back home, but the mattress I just left it there. It was losing air all the time. And also for my comfortability, I've got this pillow because I know for me it's very important to feel comfortable myself anywhere I go. You're all the time going in and out of the tent and you really don't want to have all this dust and sand inside the tent, so you need to have kind of carpet like that. This year we got a lot of batteries and chargers, and we did not really use it because we had electricity in the tent. My friends advised me to have some hand fan. I've got something like that, and my friend, she got different one. And it was actually really cool when you lie down, you dying from the heat, and you just fan yourself. And the wipes, of course, I was wiping myself all the time because it's a lot of dust and sand, and you just trying to make yourself clean, but you cannot do that. But just to refresh, sure you got like a 1 pack for 1 day. This is kind of I've got. For the bicycle, it's really important to have a chain loop. And for the bicycle, of course, you need to have a lock because everyone is on the bicycles. So when you park your bicycle, a lot of people not really sober, so they can just take your bicycle and go, and you don't want to make it happen because you're gonna stay without bicycle. So you need to have a lock. And we've been riding bicycle, right? Almost like 24 hours every day. And what can I tell you? That you need to have really nice sitting cushion. You're gonna ride day and night, and make sure you're gonna feel comfortable. And maybe mini buckets to put all kind of stuff inside, like a winter jacket and bottle of water. And for the bicycle, of course, you need a lot of decorations. So this is kind of decorations we've got. and in the night you go in and everything lighting up and colorful. We put a lot of decorations in the tent, we put a lot of decorations in the bicycle, a lot of decorations around our bodies. So we've been looking literally like Christmas tree. That was amazing. And of course for the night you need to have a headlight. This one I've got and it was extremely good. We had a walkie-talkie but we never used it. Time by time we just saw each other and everything was cool. What about luggage? Actually, for the suitcases, I really advise you to take the plastic suitcases because if it's fabric, all dust will just go inside the fabric. So the plastic, you come home and you wipe it and it's fine, you know, you don't need to do anything. So this is kind of my advice for you guys and I hope this was helpful. So enjoy it, subscribe and I see you in the next video. Bye!